Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have square root of x plus square root of x is equals to x, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move toward the solution of this problem from first method. And here first, you see that in the left hand side, these are the two same variable terms are added by each other, so we need to take common square root of x from here, and when we take common square root of x we obtain 1 plus 1 is equals to x. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is square root of x into this is our 1 plus 1 becomes 2 is equals to this is x. And here further we need to rewrite this term as you know about that. Here we use the nice radical law. So you know about that, if we have a number 2, so we write 2 into the product of two radical terms, so we write it as square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2. Okay, so we write this 2 as in the product of two radical terms. So according to this rule, we write this x as square root of x multiplied by square root of x. And now here in the left hand side we have this is 2 times of square root of x, and here we move this square root of x and multiplied by square root of x from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes minus times of square root of x into square root of x is equals to 0. And now here further in the next step you see here both of these two terms involve square root of x, so that we will take common square root of x from here. And when we take common square root of x from here we get 2 minus from here we get square root of x, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write square root of x equals to 0, and the second case is we write 2 minus square root of x is equals to 0. From here, in order to find the values of x, we need to take squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring, it will be written as in this form. So this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here x is equals to, this is the 0 square, and 0 square becomes here 0. This is the value of x which we get here. This is the first value of x. And now here in order to find the other roots of the given equation we need to solve this case. So here we move minus square root of x to the right hand side, and it will become plus square root of x. And here we again take a squaring on both of the sides, and we obtain these 2 and square root are gone, and we get here 4 equals to x. So this is the value of x which we get here in the first method. So these are the two values of x. And now here in the next step we need to verify that is these values of x be the solution, or is these values of x be the extraneous root. So for verification of these roots we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of x plus square root of x is equals to x, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to 4. So here we verify both of these two roots, but now first we put x equals to 0 on both of the sides and we check its behavior. And when we put it here, it will become square root of 0 plus square root of 0 is equals to 0. We know about that square root of 0 and square root of 0 becomes 0 equals to 0. This shows that both of the sides are equal, and if both of the sides are equal, this means that the value of x is equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement. And now here we need to verify this value of x, and we put this value of x on both of the sides, and it will becomes square root of 4 plus square root of 4 is equals to square root of 4. And here you see that square root of 4 becomes 2 plus square root of 4 becomes 2 is equals to 4, and we obtain 4 equals to 4. This also shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the second value of x is also satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this problem is 0 and 4. So this is the solution set which we get here from first method, and now we again solve this problem from second method. In second method, we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is square root of x plus square root of x is equals to x. So our second method be the very straightforward method, and here we quickly get the roots of this equation. So first you see that these two values are added by each other, and we write it as 2 times of square root of x is equals to x. And further, in the next step, here we need to remove this square root sign, and for this we take squaring on both of the sides, and in the left hand side we apply the square separately on both of these two values, and it will become 2 square into square root of x and its whole square is equals to x square. And now here further in the next step we need more simplifications, and we obtain this 2 square becomes 4, and these 2 and square root are gone, and we get here x is equals to, this is our x square. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications here. So this is 4x, in the left hand side we move this to the right hand side, and it will becomes x square minus 4x, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these two terms involve x, so that we take common x from here, and we get the remaining values are x minus 4 is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x minus 4 equals to 0. And here you see that this is the first root of the given equation which we get here from second method, and from here we easily get the value of x is equals to 4. This is the second root of the given equation. So in the second method we again get these are the two roots of the given equation, but in the first method we already verified that both of these two values are satisfied our given question statement. So we call that the solution set of this problem is 0 and 4. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.